2014 Toyota Tundra I-Force V8 5.7 liter beast. Not Hemi. I don't know why I was going to say Hemi, but beast of a truck, lifted. Got a 6-inch lift. We put 2 high flow cats on it in the rear. We left them primaries, put high flows in the back, Magna flows. I'll show them to you guys in a second. One right there. One right there. Instead of these massive things. Then Toyota comes already true dualed all the way back. And then we put 2 CARVENs right there. Type R's, one on each side. As you guys can see, really beautiful. And there's the cat, really beautiful. And then we redid his tailpipe on one side and put hangers, new hangers, into 5-inch rolled black tips out the corners. One here and right there. And like always, guys, please support us by subscribing if you like the video and you like the sound. There's the CARVEN mufflers. They're gonna sound really nice. And this is the tips we cut off, these ugly things. And the MagnaFlow was really quiet, 14-inch body, tool in, tool out. We cut that out too because we didn't like it. And that looks way, way better. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. I hope it's loud.
I want to sound loud, man.
Let's see. Go ahead. I told you. Say that again. What do you think? Sounds beautiful. Oh yeah, baby. CARVEN Type R's. 5-inch high flow cats. Here's the sound decibels again. 114. That's awesome. 114. Heck yeah. Do you like it?
I love it.
I love it. That's what we like to hear. Who cares? We're disturbing the peace since 2004, man. That's what we do. There it is. Oh yeah, baby. Tundra, Toyota. You cannot beat that sound, baby. Listen to that. Hope you guys like it as much as we do. Toyota Tundra 2014. Let you guys hear on the inside. Heck yeah! Toyota Tundra, really nicely done. I like it. They look really good lifted.
Yeah, what's with the tow haul on it so the turbo out of here?
Heck yeah! Don't disappoint now, get on it. Let's see what she sounds like. That sounds awesome. Ooh.